Hey, it's 80. Welcome back to my shed shop. I'm gonna have to tell you, I turned up this morning, came into the shed shop. Last night we had a massive amount of rain. Judging by the buckets outside, I'd say at least 3 inches worth, 75 mil. Yeah, not a happy bunny. My shed shop is only couple of months, 6 months old maybe. And really we've had fair weather all summer, and yeah, it's not the greatest. So I came in after, of course, uploading my first video yesterday, thinking, yes, well done. I know I had a terrible ending, not to worry, it's one of those things. Learning curve, right? Everyone has to learn. I'm learning. Yeah. Well, why don't I show you what happened? Come with me. Ready? Okay. So we take a little wander around the shed shop, and over here we have my beautiful Rutlands. Is it Rutlands? Rutlands, there it is. This is it. Right there. Rutlands Lathe. I love this thing. This is the reason I bought my new shed shop. I bought a new lathe and decided to let the wife know it wouldn't fit in the old shed. Therefore, I needed a new shed shop. And yeah, well, I came in and there was this on my poor lathe. I was like, oh no. We had so much rain last night. That was shocking. So clearly, as you can see, the rain managed to get in. I'm not happy bunny. Yeah, look what it's right next to. A window. So I'm thinking, as it's next to a window, that has to be my problem. Yeah. Well, it used to open, so I got annoyed with it and decided I was going to mastic it shut. Oh yes. So it's not going to open in a hurry anymore. But above it, as you will see, is the roof. But from where I can tell, and we've checked the roof, there's no water ingress. The only parts of this poor thing that was wet was along here and underneath. So I'm guessing, if you can look over here, is water discoloration. Yeah, but it's dry above. Yeah, wet down here. So I'm guessing the wind and the rain must have been coming in at quite the acute angle, smooshing down into this, managing to get in up here maybe, or down the side. Ain't gonna do it anymore. I just used a whole tube of caulking, I think it's called, isn't it? Caulking? Let's call it caulking. This stuff's grey, as you can tell. I managed to get it everywhere. I am not the best at it in the world. I don't care. As long as it does its job, seals my window. So yeah, I think it came in, came down, was hitting this, smooshing onto this. That is absolutely soaked still, and it's been hours since it rained, and that's obviously creating a bounce up and a splash onto here, which is going to require some serious cleaning. I only ever used it once since I bought it. Well, I was kind of hoping to run through that journey with you. I used to have another one. That was terrible. As everyone does, you upgrade, right? Yeah, well, yeah, I upgraded, and now look what I've done to it. Good job. I have Axminster. What do I have? Axminster tooling wax. wax. Workshop wax? I think it's workshop wax. It's workshop wax. I can see it in the distance. So, yes. It's workshop wax. I was just sitting here thinking, I'm going to be due some rain later. I best make sure my tools are actually okay. So, see over here, there's my lathe. Underneath I've got this big old box. And inside it, I couldn't believe, by the way, this was the cheapest thing I bought in a long time. 20 quid. And they're high speed steel. Yeah, I know, right? Unbelievable. Anyhow, I don't know if it's just going to pick it up. But the water got, oh, it does pick it up. The water managed to get inside this box. I mean, saddening. So, I love these. Silica gel, yeah? They always say that throw away, do not eat. Of course, do not eat. Do not eat. This is a desiccant. It's ridiculous. It soaks up moisture. Bosh! Stay in there, soak that moisture up. Hopefully that'll work, huh? This you might find funny. I have to write on things, see? Top. This way up. It might sound ridiculous, it might look ridiculous, but I do. I write this way up and top, so that way I know. This way up, that's the top. If I'm carrying it, it's that way up. Oh no. Underneath it was, oh, this has got wet. Oh, this was a gift from my wife, also known as my glamorous assistant. Keep fingers crossed. We're clear. Oh, thank God for that. See? See? Throw away, do not eat. Do not throw away. Keep. Whack it in with your tools. Oh. Oh, she would not have been happy had these have been wrecked. I wouldn't have been happy had these have been wrecked. Before this set, the only set of chisels I had were inherited from my father, and I can tell you this, they'd barely cut butter. It was on this side. Yeah, no, that's good. Whoo! Rutlands again. I love Rutlands. I might do a video on them. Maybe some of the stuff I've got from them. Oh, some of the things are awesome. Yeah, well, that's my day. Oh, you've had a better one than me. And I'll sign off, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know I'm new. Apparently liking and subscribing brings up my videos, and I mean, you know, I only have one. Hopefully this is number 2, and hopefully the next one's number 3. See, it can count. You'll get that if you watch the first video. Yeah. Let's hope I can get this fixed, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Thank you.